The parallel sewing foot is used for sewing evenly spaced rows of stitching. Now it's easy to sew borders and other decorative stitch embellishments while keeping your sewing perfectly straight. The parallel sewing foot has vertical markings which can be used as references when sewing several rows of stitching so that they line up perfectly. The first vertical guideline, to either the left or right, is a ½ inch away from the center needle position. The second guideline is approximately a ¼ inch away from the first guideline on either side. There is a horizontal line which can be used to reference the same starting point for each row. Attach the parallel sewing foot to the presser foot holder. Sew the first row of stitches. Now, align the first row of stitching either between or on the red guideline markings on the foot, depending on the desired distance from the first row of stitching. Sew the next row of stitches using the red guidelines as a reference. Align the 2 rows sewn following the red guideline markings on the foot, depending on the desired distance between the rows of stitching. Sew the next row of stitches using the red guidelines as a reference. Continue for as many rows as desired.